Fancy some homegrown strawberries this summer? Well, now is the time to plant them in your garden. The variety I recommend is strawberry El Santa. El Santa produces beautiful big red strawberries with fantastic flavour in midsummer that will crop right through the summer period. Strawberries can be planted now in window boxes, patio planters, or directly out into your vegetable garden. They'll flower in May and produce beautiful fruit from the middle of June right through until the end of the summer. But here at Hawkins, we've got a fantastic offer. You can get 6 strawberry plants, El Santa varieties, for $9.99, or you can get 3 punnets, 18 plants, for €25. So remember, now is the perfect time to plant strawberries in your garden if you want fantastic homegrown fruit this coming summer. Here at Hawkins, we're open 7 days, Monday to Saturday 9:30 to 6 p.m. and every Sunday from 11 to 6 p.m. in our Galway, Sligo and Castlebar stores. Remember, it's strawberry planting time.